Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today, you guys are the troll under this bridge. I guess that's me. Been raining all morning. I got to this hole nice and early, but it's just pouring down rain and I don't want to get soaking wet. It's steelhead season now. Starting off fishing with two beads. Got a small 8mm pink bead on the bottom. I got a 10mm orange bead on the top. Little split shot, my weight to my main line with the float. So these steelhead follow the salmon upriver, and the salmon are laying their eggs. These beads mimic their eggs. So the steelhead are sitting behind the salmon, just back from gravel, and they're eating these eggs. Hopefully I get my first steelhead of the season. The water's quite a bit deeper after all the rain we've gotten. Right now I'm doing a drift, changing my depth. Doing a drift, changing my depth. I'm going deeper and deeper until I see my bobber tilting downstream. That means my line is upstream, dangling and bouncing off bottom. I want to find and fish just above bottom. When you're fishing beads, on the bottom, the very bottom hook, sometimes it's helpful to put a spawn bag on it. I'll use loose salmon eggs, or when I catch steelhead, I'll scrape the eggs out of the skein with a spoon and then tie my own bags. So you can have two beads in the spawn bag for those fish to choose from. I don't know if you can hear the mic at all. I'm a little ways away from the camera. I don't think there are any bridge troll fish. They seem to, I think the cars might scare them away. I'm gonna try above it. And the rain starts again. Wonderful rain. Yeah. Oh, man. There's a fish. I didn't know I had one. I thought it was on a rock or something. Because it went down instantly. I don't know what I got. Either steelhead or old king. And it's gone. I think I hooked the king in the back. Yeah. Yep. It was snagged into a king. It's alright. That happens. So there's kings here. That means there's gotta be some steelhead. That sun feels so nice. There goes my beads. I'll see you at the next hole. It's hailing as I'm going through the 2-track. And some gnarly weather we got. Hailing and raining all morning. get down here. There's a salmon up there and a good little run here. It's 2:27. I'm up at a new hole, still after a steelhead. Look at this fish. It's still breathing, just lying here. All zombified. He might be able to swim away. All scratched, torn up. Another new spot. Just gonna throw the bead through here. That water's so bright to look at. I hike way back to a nice hole where I caught my first steelhead on a solo trip. No more beads, throwing just the spawn bag. Snapped off beads too many times, and I know I'm getting into some woody waters back here. I put on some miles today. Right now it's 5 o'clock. I was about to just call it and decided, why not hike so much further in the thick stuff where there's no trails? Might pay off. I'm at another hole. It's a nice corner and then it shoots out down there. Might be the last hole of the day. I got a long ways to hike out of here. It's either the last hole or I catch one and keep moving. I don't know. I haven't gotten a bite today. It's not good. Tried lots of spots where I've caught steelhead before. Oh man. That's gonna do it for today. I'm gonna hike all the way back to the car. Right now it's 5:38. I'm gonna see how long it takes me to get back to the car. I think I'm at least a mile back in the bush. Put the phone away and get hiking. I'm taking a break. It's 5:52. This is just a beautiful spot. Middle of the woods. All right, back to the hike. And I'm back. Clock it. It's 6:10 now. Oh. It's a long hike.